YouTube just sent my payment for this month and I am very angry. Like, I am super angry. I don't know who to pour out my frustration to. I don't know if I should chat customer service. I don't know who I should actually reach out to. I don't know, maybe after this video, maybe after I put out this video, maybe I'll still go ahead to go and chat up their customer service. Because what they did to me, I don't know if it's normal, because I will not say it's normal because it has never happened to me before. Okay, so fine. You know, when they're about to send money to you, don't worry guys, I'm going to be showing you how much they actually sent in this video. In fact, I'll not even beat around and tell you, oh, this is what they paid me for this video. No, I'm going to be showing you straight up how much they actually sent. But let me just tell you the breakdown of why I'm actually angry. I'm angry because they kept my expectation high. You know, when YouTube has deducted task, you know, whenever you make money on YouTube, at the end of the day, YouTube is going to deduct their task. And when you see so payment is on the way, it means it has been finalized, right? Look at, I saw that this particular amount, I'm going to put in the screenshot for you guys to see, and I'm going to be leaving it right here for you guys to see. I saw that $178 was actually on the way, meaning, and they said minus taxes. You guys can actually view it. They said minus taxes. This has never happened to me before. I know that yes, YouTube removed taxes, but whenever a money is on its way, they don't deduct it again. They do not deduct it again. Like, I don't know, and you guys can actually see that this is actually for the month of July, and you should see. Okay, let me now show you how much they sent so you guys can actually understand me, because I know you guys will be thinking that what's actually going on. Okay, $178, then what is making you to be angry? Am I not supposed to be happy? Because if it times $178 times, I think the current rate now is about 1,560, right, or more, I don't know, but let me just say 1,560 is something, right? I'm also going to be typing it and putting it on the screen. Like, I'm so angry. Like, you guys can actually tell from the way I'm talking, like, it's a bit like I'm hyper, right? Yeah, like, I think I should just like calm down a little bit to address you guys, because you guys are not the one that is making me angry. It's YouTube. So I should not pour out my frustration on you guys. I should pour it to YouTube, maybe when I'm chatting with their customer service. Okay, so now I'm back. Yeah, I'm calm now. Okay, so this is now, like, you guys should now see, imagine changing from this 178 to this. Imagine what actually happened. What went wrong? I don't know. I don't understand what went wrong. Could it be that the amount of tax, could it be that they removed tax again, or was it technical error or technical glitch? So when I actually saw that it changed from this to this, from 178 to 102, imagine, look at the difference, it's so large. 178 to 102. When I saw it change from 178 to 102, I was like, maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's a technical glitch, that maybe it will, you know, you understand that maybe it will, maybe when they pay me, then they will pay me the 178 I saw, only for me to receive my payments. And to my greatest surprise, guess how much I saw? 102. I'm actually still going to be putting the screenshot for you guys to see right here. 102. So what happened to the 178 earlier on? I know YouTube removed taxes, but they remove it before the money is sent, before they say the money is on the way. You understand? Like, people that are YouTubers, people that are content creators, you guys will understand what I'm saying. If your channel is already monetized, you understand what I'm saying. When you're making money for the month, like when that bar is going, right, you will see that, okay, you're already making $50, $60, $70. You can see that the money is going up. So let's say you now reach the 100, because for YouTube to pay you, you need to get to $100 threshold. So let's say you now get the $100 threshold, and you're already eligible to receive your money. From that $100 threshold, YouTube will remove tax before they send their money to you. So when they remove their tax, depending on whatever amount they want to remove, that one will now be on the way. That is what will be on the way. Not that they will send after removing tax. It was after removing tax, they kept 278. Then it's now on the way. Only for me to check again this morning, and I saw 102. And then I was thinking, okay, when they pay, that maybe it's a mistake. When they pay, then I'm actually going to receive the 178. Thank God I took a screenshot. Thank God. I'm so thankful I took a screenshot, because if I had not taken a screenshot, I would have had no proof. nothing to show. I'll just have been saying, hey, it was there, what's the proof? But at least I have something to show. Maybe I'm going to chat with their customer service after this video, because I just like, I was feeling somehow. I just wanted to just run. I might not even upload this video today. Today is what, 23rd. I might not upload this video today, and I might upload it today, depending on maybe after I chat to them. But I just feel like expressing myself in a video, like the way I currently feel, I want to just express it first. So once I'm done expressing it, then after I chat with them, depending on what they say, if they make me understand and give me legit reasons why that happened, let me know what. If they make me understand, then I might just go ahead and post it today. But I don't know. I don't even know, because I don't know. But the difference is much. 178, 102. That's like $76 difference. $76, multiply $76 times 1,560. If you are going by 1,560, that's a lot. That's a lot of money. It's not like I'm getting all the views. I know people that actually make more than that, like way more than that here on this YouTube space. People that actually like earning more. Some are actually earning $1,000, $500, $700. But me, at least the one I'm still making, they should give me complete. What's going wrong? Like, I feel so frustrated right now. I don't even know where my glasses. You guys know me that whenever I make videos, I usually wear my glasses. I don't even know where my glasses is right now. But I just said, let me just sit down and make this video. This is not even the regular place I used to stay to make my video. Those that have been following my channel, you know I don't stay in this background. This is not my background. But it's just the way I'm feeling. I have to just pour out my feelings. But it's fine. So I'm hoping for a better month. I'm hoping to get a response from them. So when so that it will not happen again. I need that clarification. So it won't happen again by like when they now want to pay me next month. I hope they won't do that again, because they already created that expectations for me. Like I already said, oh okay, I had plans for the money. Yes, it's small, but I had plans for it. Yeah. And then you guys will be thinking, this guy cannot save it. Don't worry, from 2026 I'll start saving. But since it's 2025, I'm not saving. But from 2026 I'll start saving. Don't worry. That by that time, by January, I'll start January 2026. But this year, let the money just be coming. I have a lot of things. I have so many things I want to use the money for. So let the money just keep coming. So I don't know. I'm just hoping that they will not do this stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what to say in this video. I don't even know. Bye bye.